Hello everyone. In my previous video, I had discussed with you how ions are formed. When atoms they gain or they lose electrons, they form ions. When they give away electrons, they get a positive charge, and when they take electrons, they accept electrons, they get a negative charge. Now, this video is to help you in learning a few ions, their charges. So let's get started, kids. I have created certain families and some relatives, some relations for you so that these ions become a little easier for you to remember. It's always easy to remember a family as a unit. No? So my first family is of twins. There are two brothers, sodium and potassium. Sodium, Latin name is natrium, and hence the symbol becomes Na. Potassium, Latin name is kalium, and hence the symbol becomes K. Now when both of these twins, they lose one electron, so they get a positive charge of Na plus or K plus, right? They are the twins. Remember, potassium is slightly bigger than sodium. That is, to be precise, potassium has got one extra shell. That's all. Otherwise, both of them are similar in all the chemical properties. They behave exactly in the same way. Okay, both of them lose one electron and get a positive charge plus one. Symbols you can see chemical symbols Na plus K plus. And hence, since this is a plus such a sign, cation, as I told you in the previous video, T for plus, there is a plus sign in T. So you can always remember that cations are positive in charge. Okay. So first family, first relation that I am creating for you is of the twins, sodium and potassium. Both of them have same chemical reactions, same reactions. Okay. If you are seeing one compound, with sodium, you can write for example, sodium carbonate is Na2CO3. Similarly, potassium carbonate would be K2CO3. You just replace them since they are the twins. They are exactly behaving in the same way. Potassium slightly more reactive, having one extra shell. Okay. Coming to the next family of four brothers. Ram, Lakshman, Bharat, Shatrughan. You have heard about four brothers, right? Now here, again, I'm going to create this four brothers family for you. This is going to help you to remember these four ions. Ions, as I told you, are single atoms carrying some charge. Carrying some charge. Okay. Now, just look at these four brothers fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. F for fluorine, chlorine symbol is Cl, bromine Br, iodine I. All these four brothers have got minus one charge on them because they contain 7 electrons in their last shell. And as I discussed in my previous video, when there are 7 electrons in the last shell, this atom is going to gain one electron from somewhere to complete its octet rule, right? Octet rule says that the last shell can have maximum 8 electrons, or it does not want any electron at all. So having 7 electrons, initially all the four brothers, they have got 7 electrons. So all of them will want to gain one electron, and when they take one electron from somewhere else, they will get a minus one charge. So four brothers, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, symbols FCl, Br, and I, all of them carrying a charge of minus one, all of them. Okay, these are four brothers. Twins had plus one charge, and four brothers had minus one charge. Twins were sodium and potassium, and four brothers are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Again, they give quite identical reactions, other than a few exceptions. Fluorine is the youngest, and iodine is the eldest brother. Okay, so fluorine is very reactive. Fluorine is very reactive, younger in the family, youngest in the family, very reactive. And iodine is comparatively less reactive, being the eldest brother. Okay, so this is how you can remember them. In my next videos, I'm going to take up polyatomic ions, and we are going to meet new families in my next video.